My fellow football addicts.
Why you dey do this thing now?
Calm down now. Now slip of tongue. Hello fellow football lovers. Una welcome to the Football Banter Show.
Where we go give you the latest spicy football gist.
Today matter na mainly about this nonsense FIFA The Best Award, where them carry give Messi again.
And the unprecedented sacking of my guy here.
No, we no fit talk about that one.
Why? That one no be news.
No be say they pay me oh. I no just dey in the mood.
Wetin gon concern me? Me I dey in the mood.
See, respect yourself oh. How you go dey talk news about me inside show where I dey inside? Leave am for BBC and Al Jazeera.
You never serious. My people, AS Roma don sack this guy oh. Dem say dem no know where him dey carry dem go.
Wallahi if I blow you for mouth ba.
Na only you sabi blow person? Hello? Who be this? And where you dey call from?
I go by the name AK-47 from Somalia.
Wait oh, your father na terrorist?
What?
No.
You be terrorist?
No.
Why you dey ask am that kind question na? You no know say e dey somehow?
See me see trouble oh. Him name no dey somehow.
I dey yell now.
Why you call?
I wan talk wetin I think for that Mourinho sacking.
Who ask you?
Talk Joe, no mind am.
For me ba, e good as dem sack am. The Mourinho wey we know of that time no be the same Mourinho of now. The guy don wash.
Thunder scatter your manhood.
Calm down na. Make the guy talk finish.
Talk wetin? The guy don talk
I
finish.
never talk finish.
If I was you slap ba.
Calm down na. You dey spoil this show.
I dey spoil wetin? You high? So make I just dey collect water on top person wey fit be terrorist.
I still dey here.
Thunder fire you. In short, comot for here Joe. Wetin be all this nonsense sef?
So, e dey pain you say dem sack you.
Why e no go pay me?
You for talk na. Na you talk say e no dey pain you.
When everything sack you, shey e sweet you for body?
Make we move to the next topic. Messi win FIFA The Best Award.
I swear I don dey lose respect for that award. Even if Messi na the only nominee, e still no suppose win am.
Who dey line?
Na goat dey talk.
Which goat?
You no know Ronaldo if you hear am.
See boy, na you be this?
I no wan take too much time. I dey do fitness. You see that FIFA The Best Award ba? Na FIFA The Rubbish Award be that. They don cast.
Why you dey talk like that? You dey jealous Messi?
Jealous wetin? Wetin the guy do for 2023? He no score highest goal. He no give highest assist. He just go Inter Miami. Dem carry award give am.
But na people vote for am.
The people wey vote for am dey meant.
So, Salah, Hurricane, Van Dijk, Lewa, and all of them they meant.
Mental problem no dey show for face na.
Another person dey call.
That person dey mad ni. He no see say goat dey line.
You vote for any of them?
As long as I no dey there, dem don rig am.
So you no vote?
Nobody play pass me, so I no fit waste my vote on top anybody head. I don go.
Now where for this guy, yo?
Hello? Who goes there?
The greatest of all goats.
Even you?
I no suppose dey call o. Na just say wetin Ororo talk vex me.
Wetin he talk?
How he go talk say people wey vote for me dey meant? Na him dey meant. Haaland and Mbappe join together no play ball pass me.
Nobody dey argue that one. Na just say you no do anything for 2023.
I no need to do anything.
What?
All footballers dey under my shadow. As long as the award dey related to best male footballer, na me suppose carry am.
But
Even if I don retire, dem suppose take permission from me before dem give away my property.
You dey on colos.
No provoke me o. I dey respect you because you be elderly man. The goat in me no go accept disrespect next time.
it's like two of them get problem.